Hey guys, Krebs here. Just wanted to make a video here for you about gravity. And we're going to do gravity through double jumping. And now what that's going to do is you're going to jump, and you're going to be able to jump again, but you can't jump more than 2 times, and you will glide down to the ground, or the border here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is create some variables. Now these variables you can use to manipulate your character more precisely. There we go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is create double jump for all sprites, so it affects all sprites. And we're going to also want falling speed. And that's going to be your double jump and your falling speed variables. There you go. Next thing you're going to want is an event when flag clicked. And we're going to want to set both variables to false and 0. So set falling speed to 0, and we're going to want to set double jump to false. There we go. Next thing we're going to want to do is grab a forever loop and put a if then. We're going to want if right arrow key pressed. Then we're going to want point in direction 90, or point right, as one might say. There we go. Then we're also going to want to change X by 10. And we're going to want to change your costume just for the looks of it. Let's go ahead and test that out. There you go. Next thing you're going to want to do is duplicate this right there, but we're going to change these to left arrow, -90, and -10. There you go. And what you're also going to want to do is go into this info, click this back and forth, so that when you do this, your character looks left and right and he doesn't accidentally go upside down. Okay, next thing you're going to want to grab is a if then else block. There we go. If then else, and we're going to want if Y position is less than -129. And the way we do that is grab an operator, and we grab this less than sign. So if Y position, down here Y position, is less than -129, then whatever happens will happen here, and if that isn't true, then it'll happen what else happens in this else block. So we're going to want then set falling speed to 0, falling speed to 0, and we're also going to want to set Y to -130. -130. There we go. Else, change falling speed by -2. -2. And change Y by falling speed. So motion, change Y by. And to change it by falling speed, you have to insert the falling speed variable. There we go. That is the first half of our code. That'll allow us to go left and right. And if I demonstrate this, he'll fall down to the ground. But we want to do a little more, something more interesting, and add a double jump feature. So we're going to go to events, when space key pressed, but we're going to change that to up arrow so that you can jump, and add an if then else block. Control, if then else. There we go. We're going to want if Y position equals -30 then. So operators equals. So if Y position equals -130, then set falling speed to 20. Set falling speed to 20. Change Y by falling speed. Go to motion. Change Y by data falling speed. And set double jump to false. Double jump to false. There we go. Else, we're going to want another if controller, and we want if double jump equals false, then, so operators equals if double jump equals false. If it equals false, then we want to set falling speed to 20 again. And then we're also going to want to change y by falling speed. Data, falling speed, and we want to set double jump to true. There we go. Now we should be able to move left, right, jump, and even double jump, but you can't triple jump due to the if false then sets to true, and so it resets. So there you go. And one thing that's very helpful, if you want to hide your variables, just add a hide variable. And we're going to want one for both, any variables that you don't want to show. So there you go. Jump, double jump, and you have your gravity. Thanks for watching. This has been Krebs. Krebs out.